Today, I'm gonna learn Xbox. I'm back. I'm here with my two great grandchildren, Brennan and Tyler.
I'm going to teach Mama how to box on the Kinect.
I'm going to teach Italian Mama Fruit Ninja.
That should be a lot of fun. I hope I don't get knocked out. Shall we get started?
Yes, get started.
Shall we get started?
Yeah!
I can't wait to see. First up, Fruit Ninja.
You have to cut the fruit.
Wow. Cut the fruit. How's that?
I think Italian Mama's ready.
I'm ready to cut the fruit. It's really a workout. It takes your breath away.
She did very good.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh, God. I enjoyed it. Yeah, did you enjoy playing with Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whee, high five. Round 2 boxing game with Brennan this time.
This is how you punch.
Oh, that's easy. That looks easy.
It's going to be harder than you think.
Oh, yeah.
This is how you block.
Okay, like this, huh?
Alright, let's fight. Let's do this thing. Dynamite left hand there. Well, that was a right hand from nowhere. Lands a nice straight. Excellent combination display. Incredible body strike there. Knockdown. Long. Like that combination. Clobbers the opponent with another body strike. Well-aimed headshot hits the mark. It's almost as if one of these fighters knocked down. Lands a hook with frightening accuracy. Straight hits the mark. One of them seems lost.
Me too.
How about you boys?
Yeah, we're really tired.
Well, the
really
main thing
have
is
to
we have
stop.
fun today, right?
Yeah.
My favorite part is right now, taking a break. I don't think I recommend this Xbox to seniors. I mean, I'm 86 and I'm winded. This is harder than cutting the lawn. Thanks for watching Tell Your Mama. Click to subscribe. Love you all.
Bye.
Come on, boys, get my water. Oh, thank you so much. You take your water too now.